still looking for that turtle.
I think we got it.
Okay, Al. Say goodbye to the turtle for later. Come on. The turtle's going home now.
He's going to be out here all day now looking.
Come on, Al. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Turtle's going to go
I
home.
wonder what he do if he did go up to next to him.
Let's not try.
Huh?
Let's not try. I feel sorry for the turtle. Al just loves that turtle. He wants to play with him. Turtle's hiding now. You gave him a big fright, mister. Okay, camera's going off. Okay.